We'll guide you through how to mute or unmute a YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and so you want to go mute or unmute videos. There are different ways you can go about this, so make sure this full guide and you're going to go and learn how. So when you go and have a video muted, this means you won't go and hear the outputted sound. If you want to go and unmute it, this means it will then go and allow the sound to come through again and you're going to be able to go and hear it. So you can watch this full guide and you're going to go and know how you can do this and the different ways it can be done. So to go and change the setting, you do need to be currently on a video, so you can go and open up any video, it doesn't matter. Now for the first way, we can actually do this within the video player. So what you need to do is you need to go and start moving your cursor over the video so you can go and see the options at the bottom. And you want to go over to the left to play pause button. Here you're going to have the mute. So you can go and click on it, that'll go and mute it, and it'll go and change to a cross, and I click it again, it'll then go and unmute it. And you can go and use the volume slider as well. There's a shortcut key you can press to go and do this as well, which is the M key. You can go and see when I press that, it'll go and either mute or unmute it, depending upon what's currently set. And alternatively, you can actually go and do this for the entire browser as well. So if you're still finding that that's unmuted, but you can't hear it, what you may need to do is go and right click on the tab at the top. And you can go and see we've got the option for mute site. I can click there to go and mute it. And of course, to unmute it, I can right click on the tab and press unmute site. There we go. That is how you can go and mute or unmute YouTube. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.